Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do a quick and easy slime for beginners. So you will need a bowl, something to mix with, activator which is Airwick, and PVA glue. And if you're on a bench you'll need a chopping board. Okay, so you'll need to get your glue into your bowl to start off with. And then, I like to do this, I don't know why, you don't have to, but I just mix it with your mixing tool. And then, you get your activator, which is Airwick, and just spray it until it starts all coming together like slime. You may think that Airwick, yeah, it's a water substance and it won't make slime, but if you see here, it's all coming together. It will go into a liquid and then you just add more Airwick. So I will be back when I have made, when I have put Airwick into the slime to make it all come together. Right, by the way guys, I just wanted to say, this will take up a lot of Airwick. If you add shaving foam, which makes the slime fluffy, you don't need a lot of Airwick. But I am not making fluffy slime because this is for beginners. I am just making normal slime, not fluffy, not butter slime, just normal slime. So this is starting to come together now. I'm just going to add a little bit more Airwick into it. How much Airwick you use, it will not turn this into a liquid. So can you see this? It's like cleaning up the bowl. Right, so you have your Airwick and your chopping board. Spray your chopping board with Airwick